Is your business lost in the local search wilderness? You're not alone. Over 90% of consumers use Google to find local businesses, yet most profiles are incomplete, unoptimized, or just plain invisible. That means missed calls, lost leads, and customers who find your competitors instead. That stops today. At Ask8, we specialize in transforming underperforming Google business profiles into lead-generating, trust-building local powerhouses. The problem? Your Google business profile, GBP, is either incomplete or poorly optimized. You're not ranking in the local 3-pack. Your profile doesn't show up for the services you actually offer. Competitors are stealing your clicks, calls, and foot traffic. The cost of doing nothing, lost revenue, period. Google shows results based on proximity, relevance, and profile optimization. If you're not in the top results, you're invisible. The Ask8 solution stack, GBP services that actually move the needle. We offer a full suite of Google business profile services that align with how Google ranks businesses and how customers choose them. 1. GBP creation service, perfect for businesses with no Google business profile or unclaimed listings. We handle full profile setup with accurate business info and keyword optimization, profile verification, and category targeting, photo, media uploads, branding visuals, optimization for local SEO visibility, setup of questions, posts, and review response templates, dedicated account support throughout the 30-day setup. Timeline, benefits, establishes an immediate online presence, enhances trust and credibility, improves local search ranking, and drives more customer engagement. Start here. Get your business on Google. 2. One-time GBP optimization for businesses with existing but underperforming profiles. This one-time makeover includes 100-point audit and benchmarking, custom optimization guide, business description rewrite, new Q&A, services and products. 4 new posts, 5 review responses, visual updates benefits, boosts local SEO, enhances listing visibility, and positions your business as the go-to option in your area. Optimize my existing profile. 3. Monthly GBP optimization and management. Keep your GBP fresh and ranking strong with weekly posts, content refreshes, new services, offers, reputation and review management, Q&A and suggested edit responses, performance tracking and monthly analytics, ongoing profile refinement and visibility strategies. Benefits: sustains search rankings, builds customer trust, improves engagement, and saves time with expert support. Let's manage this for me. 4. GBP suspension and reinstatement services. Google suspended your profile? Don't panic. We audit the listing and identify the issue, fix violations and submit reinstatement appeals, provide post-reinstatement recommendations. Benefits: get your listing back online fast and keep it there. With expert help tailored to Google's strict guidelines, reinstate my GBP profile. Real results from real businesses. The Google Business Profile overhaul was a game changer. Our profile now attracts 5x more clicks, and their local SEO strategies brought in foot traffic we didn't think was possible. Their team even trained us on maintaining updates, which added long-term value. How it works, in 3 simple steps. Shoot. We audit your current profile or setup needs. We optimize everything behind the scenes. You dominate the local results and get more calls. Why ask and twat? Because we live local marketing every day. With decades of experience helping realtors, insurance agents, and local service providers, we know what moves the needle in local search. Our services are powered by real people, real strategy, and real data, all backed by one of the most reputable GBP optimization teams in the country. Not sure where to start? Use our free tool to scan your current GBP profile. Scan my profile now, or just book a free consult below. Book a free local visibility audit. P.S. The top 3 businesses on Google Maps get over 75% of the calls. If you're not up there, you're missing out. Let's change that. All the best to your success.